Assalamu alaikum. Today I will recite very important surah of the Holy Quran. You know that Surah Ikhlas is so many important because it has many virtues. If anyone recite this, he will get reward of the Holy Quran 1/3. If anyone recites one times. If he recites 3 times, he will get reward of entire the Holy Quran. So we should read this surah every day. So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahus samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Say Allah is one. He is eternal refuge. He begot no one begot him. There is no one like him.